Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Unboxing FJ, and today we have the Rapoo H150 USB stereo headset. As you can see, let's just go through some of the features of this one. Of course, this is a unidirectional microphone HD recording, rotatable microphone straw for close distance recording, headphone design perfect for long time study and voice experience, a 40mm speaker, analyze sound details, and a USB interface for plug and play. As you can see, with these stickers, make sure that you are getting the authentic Rapoo products. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So oops. Okay, so inside the box, of course, we have the quick start guide, of course, and we have the actual headset. Now, I noticed firsthand na the connector or the cord is actually long, so it's really perfect for those na wants to move more because it might be a problem if people have shorter cords. Syempre, you move around and baka mahila yung cord or yung pinagkakabitan, lalo na if you are using a PC or a laptop. Now, we have, of course, the headset. And according to this one, yes, very movable yung microphone. Hindi ka matatakot na igalaw-galaw siya. We have the padded earphones. Of course, we have the headset that is adjustable. Ayan. From the looks of it pala, you could say that it is really comfortable. And given that we have this USB connection, ayun, you could stick this one to your PC and automatic na siya may install, and also you could use it right away. We are also given this extra foam for the microphone. Okay, so let's now try this Rapoo H150 and see how comfortable this is, and kung papasa ba siya for general use, for gaming use, etc. So as you can see, it perfectly fits in my ear. Ayan. And pati na rin at this side, it's comfortable naman. And the cord is long enough so I could make sure that it won't be pulled while I'm using. Kasi diba, we are also medyo makulit tayo. When we are using our PCs, medyo makulit tayo. Kaya may chance na mahila siya. Pero with this one, we're given more wires. Kasi of course, for inputs and outputs like this one, it's important to have a corded or a cable to make sure that information flies faster. Because although we have Bluetooth headsets, many experts would still prefer to have a wired connection for the input and output devices, especially for the headset. So I'm playing YouTube right now and the sound is really good. Also, parang if I would like to record myself doing podcasts or speaking with my friends in game or probably doing Discord, this one is good because you could adjust the microphone at the same time. Hindi ka mangangalay when you're using this headset. So, what's the verdict of the Rapoo H150 USB stereo headset? I would say it's really good for PC users or laptop users that wanted to have a really good high quality headset that they could use for input and output. Of course, you have the mic and the headphones here, and I also appreciate the simple design. And since I like my headset simple and also black, I really appreciate the design, also the simple colors that I have for this one. Okay, so that's it. That's my review of the Rapoo H150 USB stereo headset, and I hope you also get one. It's now available online on online shopping platforms, and I would really recommend this one for gamers and work-at-home employees so they can make most of the sound, the microphone, and the comfort that you have with this headset. And again, this has been Unboxing with FPJ and Tech Manual. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!